Hello and welcome to the Backroads, and welcome to the Backroads vlog. Not a proper video today because, quite frankly, the stuff we're doing isn't really warranting a video of sorts. So we thought we'd give you like a day in the life of what we do when we're not filming per se. So today we're actually prepping Project 944 for a meet at the Car Throttle Caffeine Machine meet on the 11th. Obviously, this video will go out way past that point. But yeah, we're going to be doing some prep on it today. We're also going to be detailing the MR2 and this to just clean it up a bit. It is a bit gloomy outside, so all of that detailing might be for nothing for all we know. But at least it'll be clean, at least there'll be some protection on the car, and that kind of stuff. So what we're doing at the moment is, a lot of you will remember the wipers are broken on it right now. So we're going to be trying to fix the wiper linkage. We got a brand new one from Design 911 today. So we are going to be trying to fit that and then clean up all the cars. We've got to go back to pick up a new shampoo bottle to clean the cars with. But apart from that, it's a nice casual video. It's nice and chill. Jared's behind the camera today, as usual.
Hello.
So we're going to be doing kind of swapping between us handling the camera, so you get something a bit more casual and less informal. Not that we were formal to begin with.
Less informal.
Less informal.
Less informal means it's more formal.
Yeah, it probably does actually. It probably does. So we're going to be doing some stuff for this, and it'll be nice and chilled. It'll be
and
nice
the MR2, which is behind that door.
Behind the door.
Hidden.
So it'll be nice and chilled today. There won't be any sort of...
Also chilled because it's kind of cold.
It's not too bad. It's not too
You've got a hoodie on, mate. You're lying.
Yeah, you could talk. You got a freaking jumper on.
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yes, you do. Look at this man.
Don't expose me.
Look at this man. See? Basically, it's under here. We're going to be, you can see that our bodge job here has failed quite dramatically. Is that better?
There we go, yeah.
Yes.
So you would have seen the community post we did on this because it broke just before one of the
meets
meet.
we did, yeah.
So yeah, because it previously used to have, where is it? Oh, here we go.
What are you looking for? Oh, yeah.
It had one of these on it. This one is interesting because this is a, I don't know if it's going to...
It should do. Maybe.
There we go.
Yeah.
Save the vultures. Oh, it's come out again.
Save the vultures.
Similar, we had a, I think, was it Thyroid?
Thyroid UK.
So we had a Thyroid UK one on there previously.
That was literally holding it on.
To hold it all together. We always looked at it and go, what's that for? And then it snapped and we learned.
We learned very quickly. So we've got a brand new one of those. Actually, I'll quickly go get it out the other side. So brand new linkage. There's a part of me that's thinking, if we get one of these scanned at some point, why don't we just 3D print the new ball joint cup? Because
you don't have a 3D printer.
We don't, but we know people that do. And what's the point in buying the entire rod when you could just print a small cup? So
I do want to buy a 3D printer, to be fair.
I think that's something we might look into. If any of you are interested for your 944s and want us to kind of look into maybe producing these cups for the linkages so you don't have to buy an entire new arm, let us know and we'll have a look into it, because I think it's something that many people probably need. So that's what we're going to be attaching today. So we shall see. I think nice and casual, and then once we've got this attached, head back, get the shampoo, and then we will wash both the cars and see, and inside and out. So yeah, should be good fun. You're like a ghost right now. Hang on, let me take you this.
Look, mate, just because I'm pale.
Yeah, that's exactly why. But that is a stupidly expensive bit of plastic. It really is. I think there's something like £200 for that.
Expensive Porsche quality.
It really is. So now that's off, we can actually kind of access there. Maybe. Sort of. We'll see. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
They're crossed.
Man and a camera.
Yeah, hello.
So at the moment we're just trying to see what bolt we need to undo.
Using our genius strats, if you can see it. We need to get this. But I don't know what size it is, and it's also very awkward to get.
It's really awkward to get to.
So.
Hang on, show me that picture again. So that...
That's because it's connected to the other linkage still.
Yeah, but what I don't understand is that it's not like a bolt, is it? It's not like a socket bolt, is it?
I can't really tell in that picture. Yeah.
We'll have to try and see. We'll let you guys know. Hello there. you join us taking screws off. Now, we're really confused because the bolt at the back of this doesn't feel like it attaches to this. It feels round, not a hex. So we're seeing if there's something we're missing, because there's absolutely nothing on the internet that actually tells us how to do this. So, I mean, yes, there's stuff on the internet that tells us how to do this, but not what we need or what size things are.
See our collection of different spanners we're trying to use?
Yeah, it's really weird, because I thought maybe, but it doesn't. You're right, it is actually attached. So
he doesn't listen.
It was worth looking.
And now he's taken his wipers off for no reason.
Yeah. I just don't understand why it's so difficult to get under there. It shouldn't be, because it feels round. It doesn't feel. It doesn't feel like a bolt. It feels like a pin. That's the best way to explain it. And if it's a pin, how the hell do you get it out? Do you just pry it out, or?
Okay, well, we have some progress. Jonas the Wizard says that there is no pin to take off. You literally just yank these off. So
We just have to yeet it.
we just have to yeet it. We'll see, because that feels super unnatural to do that. So I mean, Jared's more than happy to use brute force.
Yeah, especially on Liam's car.
Yeah, especially on my car. So we'll see if that works.
Man uses screwdriver and not too much force, actually, although we were using a hell of a lot to begin with, but I think we put a little bit of WD-40, see? WD-40 fixes everything around it, and it just sort of popped off. So, to show you what we mean, this is a brand new one. That is a worn one, so you can kind of see the difference in the plastic cut. And also, if we turn it around this way, it's much more obvious. So there's a way, way, way bigger lip on this one than there is on that one. The same goes for the ball joints there. So, fingers crossed, this now fixes the problem. No.
You just hear flailing metal.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have some good news. We have now successfully put on, I apologise, it is going to be dark there, I'll try and boost it in post, but we have managed to get the wiper linkage on. Thank you to the lovely Jonas, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to do that. So that is now on. Now it is time to test the wipers to make sure they work and they're not going to fall off. And then it's time for some cleaning. Right, okay, so let's put ignition on. Oh dear. That's actually probably because they need adjusting, but I mean that's a good start that they have actually moved. So it may not work properly. We might have to readjust them. Okay, moment of truth, I reckon. So if we chuck it there, good. Now if we... Okay. We have some working window wipers. Fantastic. Brilliant. Now on to the rest. Okay, so while Jared is still out doing things, I've started taking the carpets out of the Porsche just so that we can give them a clean. Apologies about the noise, we are in a working workshop. I've given the leather a quick clean as well. Unfortunately, I don't have my leather dye, so they're not looking amazing, but they're certainly not looking bad. And then over there, you can just about see them, are the mats. So we're just going to make some slow progress, and then once Jared is back, we're going to start washing the cars. So it is now 4:30 and Jared is cleaning the car quickly. 944 is already done. So I'm going to go help Jared and then we're going to get the cars back inside. Okay, so both of the cars are now back inside and we are now going to try and detail them very, 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 very quickly because it is getting later and later. So we're going to be enjoying this.
We have no light.
No
It is
light.
dark. It is dark.
It's okay because we have LED lights, so therefore... What?
We have, okay, where's your one? Is it this one?
Yeah.
We have, interesting battle today. We have JDM soap or shampoo that I bought versus filthy home soil Maguire's. So we will see, because clean Japanese car with Japanese shampoo should deliver excellent results.
This is it. See, so now we're going to dry these off, and then we're going to do a quick wax over, and then we'll pretty much be onto the interior.
So the MR2 is kind of done. It's had the soft 99 shampoo and the lovely gloss on it. Looks pretty good now. The paint is kind of slowly getting to that point where it needs another polish. It's quite swirly. I don't know if we can see it here. It looks all right in that light. But Mr. Freeman
Yes.
has splooged on his car completely.
Yeah.
And he's put he's put the fat wax on way too thick.
Very, very thick. Very, very thick. And now I'm paying the price for it because it now doesn't.
Like this might be camera shake, but it's proper. Gotta put your elbow into it to get it off.
Yeah, you don't need Jim. All you need is a car that you want to detail.
And you just got to splooge on it and then wax it off.
Yeah, exactly.
But you probably it's like a
Yeah,
it's like a millimeter thick.
It's thick, yeah. I made a big mistake. I've made a big error.
Sorted.
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 We have shiny cars.
Very, 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 very shiny cars. Marty is looking very, very blue.
Very blue.
Very
Beautiful
blue.
blue. Beautiful blue.
Beautiful blue.
Beautiful blue.
Blue. And the 944 has had an interior clean as well. You've hoovered. That's
hoovered
about
it.
the most you've done.
It's black. It doesn't get dirty.
This is
It doesn't
true.
really get dirty.
Whereas cream, on the other hand,
Looks like you chat yourself on it all the
yeah, it
time.
really does. So now we've got to tidy up the mess we've made, and then I'm pretty sure, I think that's pretty much us done for today, isn't it?
Yeah, and then tomorrow, car throttle meet.
Car-
Except that was like a week ago for you, because you guys are just behind.
But,
You've got to follow us on our socials to stay up to date.
I know. This is the way forward. So I think that's pretty much it for this video, isn't it?
Yeah. Goodbye.